Hi everyone, this is the weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho for Friday, November 25th. Got some cool and dry weather ahead for our Friday and then some more snow chances coming up in the forecast. The first one of which will be on Saturday, though those snow totals look to stay fairly light. A little bit better for some higher snow totals, or at least the potential for some higher snow totals late Sunday into Monday. So we'll talk about that coming up here too. All right, but your key points, still on the chillier side, but dry for our Friday. Temperatures will warm up just a couple more degrees than where we were for Thanksgiving Day. A quick shot of some snow, mainly at the higher elevations on Saturday. Those totals look to stay fairly light. Some more potentially impactful snow, or at least higher snow totals, looking likely as we go late Sunday into Monday, as another system is hot on the heels of our Saturday system. As an active weather pattern sets up, and then will continue through the better part of next week. So certainly a bit more to come in the forecast compared to the fairly quiet mid and end of this week that we're experiencing. All right, satellite look this morning, not a whole lot going on here in eastern Idaho. Expect mostly sunshine throughout the day, though we'll see some upper level clouds start working their way into the area. More clouds then roll in late Friday night into Saturday morning as that quick system moves through. Bring just a little shot of some snow, mainly again at the higher elevations for Saturday. So our weather risk outlook grids here, not a whole lot for us on a Friday here. We stay pretty quiet weather-wise. Saturday, again, we've got that light snow coming to the area. Now again, any accumulation looks to be more so up at the higher elevations, up in the mountains. If we do see anything here in the valleys, maybe a quick dusting in a few spots. As we get into Sunday, though, that next system there will bring a bit more impactful snow, or at least some higher snow totals to more of the area. But that's really going to be late Sunday throughout the day on Monday. Some light snow showers try to linger into Tuesday, but things will be wrapping up a little bit, so we get a short break there until some more snow potential in the second half of next week, too. So our temperatures for a Friday afternoon, a couple degrees warmer than where we were for Thanksgiving Day. A lot of us in the mid-30s to even low and even some mid-40s. Warmer temperatures mainly going to be through parts of the Magic Valley. So if you're headed out towards Twin Falls or Burley, make it back into more of the low and mid-40s there. Here in Pocatello, closer to about 40 degrees this afternoon. Idaho Falls, maybe a couple degrees cooler, but overall not too bad. These temperatures, though, still a couple degrees below average for this time of the year. Winds, for most of us, won't be much of an issue throughout the day today, but again, they'll pick up a little bit more the farther west you go into parts of the Magic Valley. Some gusts up to about 20, maybe 25 miles per hour possible for our Friday afternoon. Saturday, temperatures will drop a couple degrees, with more of us seeing highs in the 30s. You'll notice fewer 40s on the map for Saturday afternoon. But keep in mind, winds a little bit more noticeable for more of us on Saturday, with more of the Snake Plain getting into some of those gusts of 15 to 20 miles per hour, and then over towards Burley, Twin Falls, Jerome, closer to maybe 25 up to almost 30 miles per hour for some of those gusts. So a little bit breezy at times for us on Saturday. Speaking of Saturday, again, we've got that quick moving system passing through to bring a little bit of some snow to the area. Not a lot of snow, though. We'll see a chance for quick dusting. Probability-wise, you go higher into the mountains, you got a 60% chance of a tenth of an inch of snow or more up near Rexburg, and about a 90% chance in Driggs, 60% chance up in Stanley of a tenth of an inch of snow or more. But then you get to the threshold of an inch of snow or more, and it drops off pretty quickly. Again, it's really going to be those higher elevations up in the mountains that we'll see 1 to maybe 2, some isolated 3 inches of snow. Down here in the valleys, maybe a quick dusting at most, but that Saturday system not looking to bring a whole lot of snow to the area. So a lot of us will see less than an inch of snow out of that one against the higher elevations that could see 1 to 2, maybe some isolated pockets of up to 3 inches on Saturday. By the time we get to Sunday, we will see some dry time, and temperatures Again, a little on the chillier side. Most of us still in the 30s though for our afternoon highs here in the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley areas. Sunday night though, as that next system starts to move in, we will see our winds start to pick up a bit more, with more of us seeing some gusts up to about 25, 30, 35 miles per hour. Definitely a stronger system moving in there, and with that will come some more snow and cooler weather too, with most of us in the 20s to low 30s for our highs on Monday. Now, while the snow itself will start late Sunday and continue through Monday, most of us will see snow falling throughout the day on Monday. Here's a first look at some of those potential snowfall amounts. You can see down here in the valleys, a few more of us seeing 1 to potentially 2 inches of snow, and up in the mountains, especially through parts of the eastern highlands, you could see 8 to maybe 10 inches of snow. Again, that is going to be pretty high up, so near the Teton Pass area. And down in the Bear River Range, keep in mind this is for Monday, so these snow totals will be adjusted as we go through the next couple days, so keep checking back in on these morning briefings to get the latest updates for potential snow. Again, that's going to be for late Sunday, mainly throughout the day on Monday, and then wrapping up early Tuesday. But you'll notice some much cooler air working its way into the area. Our highs on Tuesday, a lot of us in the upper teens to some low and mid 20s, so that will be noticeable too. Along with that snow, some much cooler air behind that system. So in summary, still chilly but dry throughout our Friday. We'll see some sunshine before a quick shot of some snow, mainly at the higher elevations, arrives on Saturday. More impactful snow, higher snow totals late Sunday through Monday. And that active weather pattern continues as we go throughout next week with some more snow chances and certainly some cooler weather ahead. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns, you can always find us on social media. Otherwise, give us a phone call, send us an email. Also good ways to get a hold of us. Otherwise, keep checking in for our daily weather briefings, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.